Congratulations on making it to Chapter 7 of the Complete Web Developer course. Now, so far we've been mostly focused on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now they're all front-end or client-side languages because they happen on the user's computer. So in your Firefox or Chrome or Internet Explorer browser, the HTML and the CSS and JavaScript are interpreted right there. So those languages are responsible for the look of a website, the layout, the style, and the interaction with the user. Now the back end of a website is where what's known as the business logic happens. So this is things like sending emails, or saving information to a database, or posting a tweet. All of those sort of things happen on the server side of a website setup. Now there are a number of different languages that you can use to program servers. We're going to be looking at one called PHP. PHP is extremely widely used on the internet. It's supported by all servers, and there's a huge amount of software already written in PHP. WordPress among them, but there's many other programs that you can use and manipulate if you understand PHP. If you want to look into other server-side languages, then take a look at Python, Node.js, and Ruby. There are many more. If you have a Google, you'll find lots and lots of languages to choose from. So what is PHP? You can have a quick look at the history of PHP if you like. PHP.net is a fantastic resource. If you're working with PHP and you do some Googling on a particular topic, you're bound to come across PHP.net. It's very well explained, very comprehensive. So the history of PHP, you can read a little bit about here if you like. It's created in 1994 by a chap called Rasmus Lerdorf. It was actually initially stood for Personal Homepage Tools, or PHP Tools. But these days it's usually considered to stand for Hypertext Processor. So PHP can be run very easily on a server, but we do need a server to work with PHP. So if you haven't already, now's the time to set up your free web hosting. And in the next video, I'll show you how to create your first PHP page and run a little bit of basic code.